Everyone, hope everything is going well. All righty, let's take a look over here. So, talking about Jeff Wilson. Jeff Wilson does crazy things, says crazy things. People call me a conspiracy theorist, but he's talking about over here about would you pay taxes, right? And it, it's regarding, someone who goes to an auction house, they have to pay taxes, okay? If they're selling. Now, if they're doing it other ways, are they going to pay taxes? He just asked that question. So now you have to ask yourself, okay, is he paying taxes? Now, the thing is, I'm libertarian, so I don't like taxes, but there's rules. Unfortunately, we have to follow those rules. We have to file our taxes, right? And I want to look at another thing, right? And just believing Jeff Wilson. Jeff Wilson got busted in a lie. And he was saying, oh, there was an $144,000 profit on a card. It was in his card on Golden Auction. And then he said that, oh, yeah, I still have the card. But he didn't have that card. He actually sold that card, but he's then told Dan that he couldn't mention that because it was a private sale. But then he bought another card. So, this is the hankus pankus that goes on here. And once again, hobby memesters, the good old boy network on the YouTube can't cover this because they're going to be blacklisted. Guess what? I'm not on payroll, so I could say whatever I want and ask questions. And people have problems with that. Okay. So I was tipped off about this. And hey, look, here's the thing. I was looking at, okay, is Jeff Wilson, Cards HQ, charging sales tax, right? And if you look at Georgia, where they have physical nexus, that's what they used to look at back in the day. Well, there is sales tax. So that's okay. Now, if you're out of state, there's no sales tax. That's interesting. So seeing what you saw with Jeff Wilson and how he's deceived the audience, right? Is he going to be paying the taxes, right? Maybe this could be a warning for them to be like, hey, look, you may have to file taxes in the other states because there was a Supreme Court, I think it was a Supreme Court case in 2018 where every state with a sales tax has economic nexus requirements for remote out of state sellers following the 2018 South Dakota versus Wayfair decision. Economic nexus generally requires out of state sellers to register and collect and remit sales tax once they meet a set level of sales or number of transactions within a state. Now, the thing is, Jeff Wilson stated that he had, what is it, $4 million worth of sales. Sure, there's sales going on in the state of Georgia. But if you're doing online sales too and you're selling high ticket items, okay, yeah, you may do some whatnot sales. But if you're selling through your website and doing deals like that, okay, what's going on with the sales tax here? Will this need to be updated on their end? Are they trying to not pay sales taxes? Who knows? Are they avoiding it, or is something they overlooked because they don't have technically nexus in that state? But guess what? That 2018 law changed. So knowing what we know about Jeff Wilson, they paying taxes? I don't know. Maybe they should brushing up some accounting controls on their end, in my opinion. Anyways, let me know. I'll talk to you later. Bye.